Say hi, Shonda.
Hi, Shonda.
That's what happens when the wind gets you. Gotta regroup. Coming out of Old Lock right there. Coming out and the wind's blowing real hard. I didn't get a gauge, but blowing real hard. Had to run up here to shore for that boat right there. You see that flag laying out. So I just couldn't get enough, couldn't get it pointed up enough into the wind. So what we'll do is I'll just stop here. And I'll do is widen out. I'll touch in on the bank and widen out, and then we'll flip off and go. Basically give it a little, get my stern out in the river a little bit. Oh, it's windy. It's windy. For sure. Anyway, but we got our 15 now. So 15 empties or 1,000 foot of stuff going to sail basically. 1,000 foot of steel to catch us. But it's kind of, it ain't no big deal. It's big enough river and there's plenty of room. And I'll be able to get her flipped off the bank. I'll be able to get her flipped and go. Shouldn't be a problem. Well, I'll tell you what. Wind will humble a pilot. Because I'm stopped and I got big river to run in. I flipped that son of a gun twice. But I can't get that head to come off the bank. Our flag, we need to get that replaced. Get a new one up there, but I can't get it done. I literally cannot get this thing flipped off the hill. That head would not lift. And I drove the heck out of it. Flipped back, twisted, and landed. So we're gonna let it lay for a little bit. I'm gonna let it lay here. Well, after 3 times, 3 hard flips, I think I might have it this time. It's about a 35 mile an hour wind off straight on the bank. Hopefully I'm gonna get her. Drop her in the pocket here. I get a good point of just out as far straight out in the river as I can. That wind's keeping the boat in there, but if I can get point, the current's coming that way. If I can get her going point, I'll do an 8 mile an hour backwards and then give her a little flip. Once we get rolling, I'll be able to keep pointed up into the wind, but my goodness. She's a pain in the butt to get her pointed up into the wind. Yeah, we got it now. We got it now. Maybe. This is what it looks like to go river sideways. Wind's flowing, so we're going river sideways. Yeah, we're just doing that. Pointing up into the wind. Oh, what fun. Anyway, but we're rolling. We are rolling.